So then on our calculator, okay, we put purchase price, usually 20% down. This is calculated with a 7% principal and interest. 4% vacation rate. Insurance, that's the part that you need to always double check, which has based it on other areas and not 100% here. Maintenance, very little. It's just cutting grass. Property management at 5%, very low. Utilities, we're assuming we have to pay the water. Trash. And as of now, I mean, of course, we don't have any reserves or capex. And taxes, we took one of the largest, highest taxes we saw for the last sale. But it still are current taxes. We are not considered 2025 taxes. So we're being a bit very friendly, not friendly, but very nice on the cost. If I tell you the only one I'm not confident is insurance. Because this can change a lot. As we said, the units were in very good condition, so 10,000. We're selling to the investor, we didn't put an acquisition fee, the down payment, closing cost, 2%. I think we should increase that to 2.5. 2.5. Total invested, And that's when we go to the right side, and you can go to a pro forma, because this one has many. Go to a pro forma, so you have less. Gross income, yeah, you did at 2,000, we did a less plus the vacancy, so we have 88. Operating expenses 31. NOI 60,000. Mortgage payments, Cash flow per year. What does it give me? Cash on cash, a bit lower where than you because we put 1,900. Cap rate, similar. This is the part that Waldo, like you were saying, or Joshua, is a bit of depending. This is the one we used to buy. On this one, probably we have very low appreciation because, as I told you, we are not doing any repairs. We have crazy appreciation on the income, but we are at 10% only appreciation in 1 year. Just because we're going in, cleaning everything, painting, and putting new tenants. Next year is, of course, not going to have that appreciation. And we don't use IRR, which is like cash, principal, appreciation, 108. My DCI is 145. So 1 year, is we get to 797. And then we have the income approach, which is easy to calculate, but I always see it too high. We never use the income, the value of the income approach to buy or to sell. I wish they pay me this. Waldo or Joshua, can you comment about like how will you get will you get the selling price or estimate a selling price?
Comparables.
Yeah, I agree. We'll go with comparables and prorated, forecasted.
I need a bit higher on the voice, but you say comparables?
Yeah, based on comparables and take into account the trends in the market, do a forecast. Apply a percentage,
Here are your
apply a
comparables.
percentage and come up with a number. I don't know, that's the only way I see.
Look at all this. Here are your comparables, fourplex. But I tell you, you have to be very careful. Because look at the prices: 650, 676, 655, 830, 1,000,000, 820, 935. Because I know the area, because I study, no, because I know the area. Okay. I tell you why this one sell at 830 and what this one at 676. This one is remodeled to the new standards, like this gray laminate floor, white kitchen, stainless steel. And that's why it's sold at this price. And that's why this purchase is depending on how you buying it. This one, very remodeled. Do an estimate. You can make it to this price? Probably you can. But how much do I need to invest to make it look like this? That's why these comparables, I don't like them. I like these comparables. 725, 75, 830. I know definitely will be this one. So we're more about there. And if you go to the work, 797. That's our price coming just for a 10% principal and cash flow. So this price is good. This one always overpriced. This one is bullshit. It's 69. Because this deal is a buy and hold. If you see the net profit, 126 for an investment of 156 is not bad. Talk to me, Waldo, Joshua. What will you do on this deal?
I'm estimating Hollywood. I don't know the area, but I would say Hollywood probably sells at 180 a door, depending on conditions, depending on location.
This is for Lauder. This is for Lauder.
For Lauderdale, so maybe even a little bit more. So let's say it was 200 a door. That's
Yes.
$800,000. $800,000. So I think it's within reason. 800 grand. Again, depending on the conditions and the location of the property.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know you guys if you've been that. I mean, we'll drive through very close to Las Olas, kind of like they created the same situation. What happened? I'm very local. I'm very next to Design District, next to Brickell, Alapata, all that area, Little Havana, Shenandoah. I didn't know. I mean, I tell you, I went back the last 3 months. I've been studying that zip code 3311, and it's the same. I mean, for Laura, it became the same thing. They have a area that is getting improvement, and they're next to Brickell in a way, next to Las Olas Boulevard, next to what they call a Flagger Village, which is Wingwood. The same. The city invests a lot to improve all that area. You can go there and you see all the brand new buildings next to these Alapata style houses, although they're much better condition, much newer. They're 950 and up. And also the people is much better. They're very clean. I can show you. Look at this. I mean, let me find them. This is, and that's why Moses, this is the part that when you show images is better. Let me get it. Hold on a second. June. I will show you the whole deal. Okay, it has to be my download. One second, guys. Yeah. Soon. And I tell you, this is up for sale, guys. If you sell it, you make a commission, 3%, Joshua. If you help me sell it. It's not in MLS because we didn't purchase yet. Share.
I'm interested. I'll take a look at it.
Okay, this was the whole package. It was broken in like 3. And now they have some leftover. That was what we last one we bought. I can send you this. But look, let me get you to the houses and you see. Well, first there, you see that's the whole area. You have Wilton Manors, all surrounded by new good areas, and they were all very close. But look at the condition of the houses. That's not value add. That's not foreclosure. Look at this grass. They cut the grass, everything. Very nice lots. Small houses though, 1,800, 1,700. But look at the condition. This is one of the fourplex.
That one there, show me.
Sorry?
Show me which one is. I didn't see the, okay. Oh, that one on the left, okay.
Yeah, no, let me show you one. I tell you the others. Hold on a second. This one is one of the fourplex, the 517 18th Avenue. This one too, 1124. This one is, and the other one is 526. Where is it? I don't know if they have all the pictures of all the units. It should. I don't see it. I already sold these houses like 3 times this year, these last 3 months.
Mhm.
Yeah, they will look like this one here. 526, no, yeah. 526, this is the one of the fourplex. The lot was 22 single families, 23 multifamilies. But look at that condition. This is one of the fourplex too, or the duplex.
Okay.
Very good condition.
Yep.
Because they were maintained by a third party that was being paid, but free income. Not free income, but nobody was on the owner of the income because it was the city. So you need a new roof? Go and put a new roof. You need this? Go and fix it. Everything was like that. Some roofs, are 2 years old. There was a beautiful package. If you retail this package, the price was 24 millions, and you were able to buy it for 17 millions. We couldn't raise all the capital, and we couldn't buy it. So at the end, they broke it down in like 4 parts. Somebody bought half, and we bought 2/3 of the rest.